morning everyone. It's such rubbish weather today and it's good in a way because it's shown up where we have leaks in the roof. We are going to be plasterboarding the ceiling in the master bedroom today, and then putting buckets under the leaky bits for the time being because we're getting the roof redone in the spring. So I'm going to show you. There's not that much water actually because it already had water in this bucket, so it's not overly crazy, but it's just, you can see when it rains how much water is coming out, which is good. I think there's a little bit over here as well from the corner of the roof. So
these are the plasterboards that we bought for the ceiling, and here's Steve just measuring them up.
So we have done the plasterboards on the ceiling for the office room. We've left this little bit here because the boiler needs to come out and there's pipes, so we may as well wait until that's all done. Oh, out of breath. We have taken all of the wallpaper off of the master bedroom and we have started on the plasterboards, but had to stop because everyone's tired and they want lunch, so it's going to be another job to continue do tomorrow. And then we started peeling off the wallpaper here in the hallway and the stairs. Then we realised that there was holes and things.